In honor of Conor McGregor's birthday, we're going to call this Mystic Mac. I can't do it as quick as him taking out Jose Aldo, but I will do it quick and I will do it special because I have met Conor. He's such a great guy in person. You know, before he had a fight, I had the pleasure of meeting him and we were playing blackjack. I still remember what he was wearing, white shirt, beige vest. Yeah, that was before he's had his first fight. And to see the guy just go from something to something big like that is just very inspirational. I love him. He's a great father, great person. And yeah, we're going to make some magic, Mystic Mac magic. I was going to do Irish nachos, but I realized National Mac and Cheese Day is on Conor's birthday, and I have completely screwed this one up. It's not going to last long. It's like his Jose Aldo fault. I've left the mac in too long and it's mush. So we're gonna just fix it. As you can see, complete mush. Look at that. No mac there. We've got a new dish, new invention, macaroni porridge. The only thing I can think of is just keep taking water out. Like it's just, we're falling apart. So now we've got this porridge, guess more cheese. What the hell? We've got to dry it up. And yeah, I'm screwing up, guys. Let's find our third cheese. And what the heck? We've got some curds. This has to be the worst mac ever, but the best cheese. So I'm conflicted. Is it good? Is it bad? How do we fix this? How do we fix this? What I would do is Emerald Lagasse. How do you do it? Bam! Bam! I'm gonna bam it. Joe beef, my favorite. A little bit of beef. What are we famous in Canada for? Beef jerky. So why don't we get some jerk sauce? So now we've got a beef jerky mac. This actually doesn't look bad. So we're gonna call this the tapioca mac and cheese, because that's what it looks like. We're gonna know right now how bad this is. You know what? It's pretty good. Yeah, this is not bad. Like, look at this. It looks like friggin' tapioca. You know what? It's not bad. Conor, go get him. And who the fuck is this mac and cheese guy here doing this? Sorry, buddy. I do know how to cook. Chicken wings, that's it. So maybe we'll do something, because this is the third worst screw up I've had on this excuse of a show. God bless, and as you guys say, Godspeed. I gotta get rid of this. Have a good one, guys.